In this quick Minecraft tutorial I'm going to show you how to make smooth stone in Minecraft. Well, for this is everything which you're going to need. We are going to need an oak log or any type of log, at least 8 cobblestone and some fuel. I will use coal, you can use any type of fuel, you can even use planks. Let's craft a crafting table really quick and place it right here. Now with the rest of the cobblestones we'll need a furnace, so I'm going to place it right here. Let's add a coal right underneath, and now we have to smelt down some cobblestone. Melt down as much as you'll need, and by doing so, by smelting down cobblestone, you will get stone. Now we have to place stone above, and now we have to smelt it down again. If you don't want to smelt down cobblestone, if you have a pickaxe with seal touch on it, you can mine the stone directly without smelting down the cobblestone. So once you smelt down the stone, in this way you will get the smooth stone in Minecraft. And now you can use it for whatever you need it. You can also craft slabs with this. So that being said, I hope this quick Minecraft tutorial helped you out on how to craft the smooth stone in Minecraft, and thank you a lot for watching.